Experience the Pony difference, where style meets functionality. The convenient 360-degree swivel base and bright LED lamp add to the user-friendly design. Enjoy peace of mind with the BPA-free interior, ensuring your drinks are always safe and healthy. Both kettles boast powerful 8-volt OW heating, ensuring your water boils quickly and efficiently. Choose from two stunning designs, a classic stainless steel model for a modern look, or a vibrant red kettle adorned with an elegant floral pattern, perfect for adding a touch of personality to your countertop.